You guys saw in the last video we crossed the Ambassador Bridge into Michigan. Today we will be going through Michigan and our hotel is in Indiana. And we're just traveling today. The drive was beautiful. On the side of the road you could see sunflowers. Hi guys, today we are going on the second episode of the nature trip where we are going to cover several US states and several landmarks. And so far we have covered Michigan and Indiana, and now we're going to cover Illinois and Iowa. We've been to Illinois before, but that was by plane. We're not going to go through Chicago. We have entered Iowa. We went to a classic Pizza Hut to eat lunch. The experience was very nice. Hi guys, today we are going to our hotel near Mount Rushmore. So we've already reached South Dakota. And now at the first rest area of South Dakota. The first rest area has a welcome center. So there's a lot of things that you can see there. The main attraction in South Dakota is Mount Rushmore, which is in the Black Hills. There are many other attractions in the Black Hills. So it's like a group of attractions. For example, there is a Crazy Horse Memorial, the Wind Cave, Jewel Cave.
Yes, huh?
Here.
Yeah.
There's somewhere right.
Here now. The other wrong here.
We come here. We went down like this. From here. This is a teepee, which is one of the houses that the indigenous people made. There are a lot of bikers when we were going on the way, because there's right now a bike rally in a place called Sturgis. This is Badlands National Park. We're not going in, but you could see it from a distance. We are staying at Rapid City today, and tomorrow we will be visiting Crazy Horse, Mount Rushmore, and we'll also be reaching Yellowstone. This is a preview of the Mount Rushmore. Watch our next video to see more. So, keep on watching. Please subscribe and bye.